Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy Ascend, the dedicated channel for engineering mathematics, general aptitude as well as general science. Okay, this is an dedicated channel where you will get videos only pertaining to these three topics: general aptitude, general science as well as engineering mathematics. So we will again start with our daily practice problems. So you guys know from a certain point of time we have started this daily practice problem. So one day there will be a daily practice problem on general aptitude and on one day there will be engineering mathematics. So as promised by me in the last session, so the last session was the last part of the compound interest topic. So today we'll be starting a new topic. Okay, today we'll be starting a new topic by the name speed, time and distance. Speed, time and distance is one more important topic which comes under your quantitative aptitude. So today we'll be again doing three sums, right? Three problems on speed, time and distance part 1, right? So here is the first question. The first question is as follows: Shivan could either walk or drive to the office. The time taken to walk to the office is 5 times the driving time. One day, his wife took the car, making him walk to the office. After walking 4 kilometers, he reached a market when his wife called to say he can now take the car. Shivan figured that continuing to walk to the office will take as long as walking back home and then driving to the office, right? So calculate the distance between the market and the office. Four options are given, right? It is a very simple question, right? Shivan, he can either walk or drive to the office. The time taken by him, that is, his walking speed is A and his driving speed is 5A, right? His walking speed, the driving speed is 5 times the walking speed. अगर walking speed 1 kilometer per second, 1 kilometer per minute है, तो ड्राइविंग स्पीड उसका 5 गुना ज्यादा होगा, 5 kilometers per minute, right? The speed increases. The time taken to walk is 5 times the driving time, right? The speed of the driving time is more, right? So time taken कितना होगा? तो he might be traveling 5 minutes by walking. So actually 5 times less, right? So I will cover the whole in 1 minute walking, right? He'll cover the whole in 1 minute walking, right? Speed and time are irreversibly proportional. अगर time कम है तो क्या है? Speed ज़्यादा है, right? If the time is more, then it means the speed is less. If the speed is less, then it means the time is more, right? Yes. So one day his wife she took the car and he had to go to the office by walk. After walking 4 kilometers, he reached a market. At that time his wife called and told, अभी आप कार लेकर जा सकते हो, right? Shivan figured out that अगर मैं ऐसे ही चल के जाऊंगा, if I continue to walk to the office, it will take the same time if I go back home and drive the car, right? वापस घर जाके मैं कार उठा के वापस जाऊंगा तो उतना ही टाइम लगेगा, तो इधर से अभी मैं पैदल चला जाऊंगा, right? So he figured out that the walk to the office from that point, from the market to the office, is similarly it will take the same time of how much he has to go back to the home and get back the car, right? So what is the distance between the market and the office, right? What is the distance between the market and the office? A very simple question, right? A very simple question. Let's draw the solution here, right? We know one thing in time, speed and distance: it is a law or it is a rule, right? It is a law or it is a rule. The ratio, right? It is a law or it is a rule. The ratio of distances is equal to their speeds, is equal to the ratio of their speeds. ये एक law है, ये याद रख लो, but I won't be solving this question by this law, right? Okay, we know that distance and speed, right? We know the distance here, we know the speed here, right? Distance and speed both are irreversibly proportional, right? Distance and speed both are irreversibly proportional. So let me draw a small diagram over here. Okay, so I can see here, this is where his house is there, right? This is where the market is there, and this is where his office is there, right? So Shivan kidhar tak pahuncha? He came from the house till the market, right? 4 kilometers, right? 4 kilometers. So let us take this as x kilometers. So what will be the total? The total distance from the house to the office will be x plus 4 kilometers, right? The total distance from the house to the office will be x plus 4 kilometers, right? So they have told the time of walking is 5 times the time of driving. तो मैंने क्या बोला था? The time is more, मतलब speed less होगा. If the speed is more, time less होगा, right? So the walking speed, right? The walking time is 5 minutes, so the walking speed will be 1 minute, right? So the walking speed, let us take it as A. Okay, then the driving speed is 5 times of it, right? The driving speed is 5 times of it, so the driving speed will be 5A, right? The walking speed is A. They have given the time there, they have given the time, what they have given in the question. The time taken to walk to the office is 5 times the driving time. मतलब speed क्या होगा? Speed होगा, the walking speed will be less and the driving speed will be more, right? The driving speed will be more. So that is what I have done here. That is what I have done here, right? Distance between the market to the office is x. The whole distance is x plus 4, and the house to market distance is x, right? House to market distance is 4. Sorry, house to market distance is 4 kilometers. So we know the ratio x bar a, right? X bar a, which is nothing but the distance by time taken or distance by speed, is equal to the first one, right? Market ka speed, right? Market, he's going by what? He's going in which speed? So go back to the question here, right? He is reaching the market by walking 4 kilometers. What is the walking speed? It is a. Then the rest he is going by driving, right? 5a, right? 5a. X plus 4 he will be going by driving. So 4 kilometers he is going by walking a, and this one you can take it as x plus 4, which is the total by driving. Total by driving, which is 5a, right? So what will by ratio become here? Walking speed 4 by a plus the driving speed, which is total distance, x plus 4 divided by 5a. X plus 4 divided by 5a. So let us take the LCM here, right? Both are addition, so this will be 5a in total, right? 4 by a into 5a, a and a gets cancelled. 4 fives are 20, plus x plus 4 by 5a, 5a, 5a both gets cancelled, so this will be x plus 4, right? Here a and a gets cancelled, so this will be equal to x is equal to 20 plus 4 plus x divided by 5. 5 will be the cross multiplication here. 5x is equal to 24 plus x, so this will go this side, so 5x minus x हो जाएगा, plus x है minus x है, तो 4x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 24 divided by 6, right? X is equal to 24 divided by 4, sorry, right? 24 divided by 4, which is 6 kilometers, right? 4 6 are 24, 6 kilometers. So 6 kilometers is the distance between the market and the office, right? 6 kilometers is the distance between the market and the office. Option D is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. The next question is as follows. Naveen and Aditya are athletes. Naveen covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 8 minutes 30 seconds, while Aditya covers the same distance in 9 minutes 45 seconds. If both of them start walking or running or athleting together and they run at uniform speed, by what distance, right? By what distance Naveen will win a 10 kilometer mini marathon, right? नवीन और आदित्य दोनों एथलीट्स हैं. नवीन का स्पीड दिया है. नवीन 3 किलोमीटर का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 8 मिनट और 30 सेकंड में कवर कर लेता है, एंड आदित्य कवर्स द सेम डिस्टेंस, दैट इज द सेम 3 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस in 9 minutes 45 seconds, right? So it means Aditya is taking more time, right? Aditya is taking more time to reach the same distance. Both of them start together at the same point. So if they both start together at the same point and run with their speeds which they have mentioned here, right? 8 minute 30 seconds का एक और speed होगा, 9 minute 45 seconds का एक और speed होगा, right? If they run at this speed, by what distance Naveen will win a 10 kilometer mini marathon, right? You have 4 options again here. Let us do the solution, right? Let us do the solution part, right? So they have given Naveen's 3 kilometers time, right? What is the time of Naveen's 3 kilometer? It is 8 minutes 45, 8 minutes 30 seconds, right? Yeah, it is 8 minutes 30 seconds, right? 8 minutes 30 seconds. तो 8 minute 30 second को पूरा सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करूंगा तो कितना होगा, right? 8 into 60 plus 30, right? So this is 8 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 8 into 60 plus 30. So this will be 480 plus 30, which is 510 seconds, right? So 3 kilometer के लिए he takes a total of 510 seconds. So how much will it be for 10 kilometer? Right? How much will it be for 10 kilometer? You have to do the cross multiplication here, right? So this will be 10 into 510 divided by 3, right? 10 into 510 divided by 3. 10 into 510 divided by 3. So you'll get the answer as 28.33 minutes, right? 28.33 minutes. You can also write it in seconds form, right? You can also write it in second form. So this will be 28 minutes and 0.33 into 60, right? 0.33 into 60, so that will be 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. ये 0.33 जो है 100 के लिए है, ये 100 के लिए है, तो 60 के लिए कितना होगा, that you have to formulate, right? ये 100 के लिए है तो 60 के लिए कितना होगा, that you have to do. So 0.33 by 60, 20 seconds, right? 0.33 by 60, that is 20 seconds. Now the next one, okay, so this will so 0.33 by 60, sorry, not into 60, 0.33 by 60, which is 20 seconds, right? Now the next one, right? Aditya. Okay, so इसका कैसे निकाले? We know that distance divided by time equals speed, right? We know that distance divided by time equals speed. तो आदि का जो 3 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है, आदि takes how much time to cover this whole? आदि takes how much time to cover this whole? It is 9 minutes 45 seconds, right? Adi takes 9 minutes 45 seconds to cover this hole, right? 9 minutes 45 seconds to cover this hole. So how much will he take, right? How much will he take for the total, right? 9 minutes 45 seconds कितना होगा? तो इधर से आप देखोगे 75 seconds ज़्यादा है, right? So 510 plus 75, this will be 585 seconds, right? This will be 585 seconds. How much distance is Adi traveling? Adi is traveling a distance of 3 kilometers and the time is 585. So the speed is given by distance divided by time. What is the distance? 3 kilometer. What is the time? 585 seconds, right? 585 seconds. So you'll get the answer as 0.00512, right? 0.00512. So into 60 karo, because this is in seconds, right? This is in seconds. So if you have something in minutes, you have to convert it into seconds. You do the division, right? So I will write it down here, right? From minutes to seconds. Okay. From minutes to seconds, you do the division. From seconds to minutes. From seconds to minutes you use multiplication, right? From seconds to minutes you use multiplication. So this is given in seconds, right? This is seconds thing happen. So minutes mein convert karna hai. 1 second is equal to 60 minutes, right? 1 into 60. So this will be, right, in minutes if you take this, so this will be around a 0.307 kilometer per minute, right? 0.307 kilometer per minute. This will be the speed of Adi, right? This will be the speed of Adi. नवीन पूरा 10 किलोमीटर खत्म करने के लिए कितना टाइम ले रहा है? नवीन इज टेकिंग अराउंड 28.33 मिनट्स, राइट? नवीन इज टेकिंग 28.33 मिनट्स. अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? आदि का स्पीड मेरे को पता है 0.307, नवीन का टाइम मेरे को पता है, राइट? सो लेट अस कंबाइन बोथ. Let us combine the speed of Adi and the time of Naveen. उससे हमें आदि का जो डिस्टेंस है वो पता चल जाएगा, राइट? आदि का जो डिस्टेंस है वो पता चल जाएगा. So I will write it down again here. Aditya is equal to distance into time, right? Sorry, speed into time, not distance into time, right? It is speed into time, right? What is the speed given? Speed is given as 0.307 if I'm not wrong, right? 0.307 is the speed and time is 28.33 minutes. Let's substitute it in minutes only, cause later also we have to take in minutes only, right? So because the speed is in minute, right? The speed, sorry for that, okay, speed is in kilometer per minute में, तो मिनट वाला वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. अगर सेकंड वे में करते हो तो सेकंड वाला वैल्यू भी आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट? 0.307 into 28.33, so this will be equal to 8.69 kilometers, right? This will be equal to 8.69 kilometers. So when Naveen is finishing the whole 10-kilometer marathon in 28 minutes, right? In 28.33 minutes, Adi will still be at a distance of 8.69. Adi will still be at a distance of 8.69. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे इधर? We will find out the difference, right? We will find out the difference. Difference कैसा है? The whole time, the whole distance divided by the distance took by Adi. So 10 minus 8.69, which is 1.61 kilometers. 10 minus 8.69, which is 1.61 kilometers. Go back to the question. It is option A, right? 1.31 kilometers. I've written as 1.31. Sorry. Okay, 1.31. Okay, not 1.61. 1.31 kilometers. Okay, 1 minus 8.70. So 1 minus 8.69 is 1.31 kilometers. वो थोड़ा silly mistake हो गया, right? So 1.31 kilometers. चलो, the last question. Prajwal and Avijit start at the same time from cities Bangalore and Kolkata respectively that are 1680 kilometers apart and move towards each other. They meet at a point 720 km from Bangalore. At what time will Prajwal reach Kolkata, provided that both Prajwal and Avijit start at 11 p.m. and Avijit reaches Bangalore at 7 p.m. Right? Prajwal and Avijit, दोनों friends हैं, right? They start from cities Bangalore and Kolkata, right? And Bangalore और Kolkata are at a distance of 1680 km from each other, right? Bangalore और Kolkata का distance है 1680 km. They meet each other at a point 720 km from Bangalore. दोनों एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, right? They both come at the same time and they both meet each other at a point 720 km from Bangalore. At a point 720 km from Bangalore. At what time Prajwal will reach Kolkata, provided that both of them are starting at the same time 11 p.m. and Avijit reaches Bangalore at 7 p.m. Right? Avijit reaches Bangalore at 7 p.m. They both start at 11 p.m. So if these data is given, at what time Prajwal will reach Kolkata? At what time Prajwal will reach Kolkata? Let's find out here. So the first law which I told you, right, first sum में एक जो law बताया था, right, वो इधर लागू होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों, right, they start at the same time, right? Both Prajwal and Avijit, they are starting at the same time. So our law will apply here, right? The ratio of the time, right, the ratio of the time or the ratio of the distances will be equal to the ratio of their speeds. The ratio of the distances will be equal to the ratio of their speeds, will be equal to the ratio of their speeds, right, to the ratio of their speeds. ठीक है, तो ये लॉ इधर अप्लाई होगा, राइट. सो लेट अस टेक द रेशियो ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. वी डू नॉट नो, राइट, वी डू नॉट नो द स्पीड्स, राइट. सो लेट अस टेक Prajwal speed and Avijit speed, but we do know the distance between them, right? But we do know the distance between them, which is 720 kilometer and 1680 kilometer, right? 720 kilometer and 1680. So 720 from Bangalore, right? From Bangalore. कौन Bangalore से start कर रहा है इधर? Prajwal जो है Bangalore से start कर रहा है. So this point of distance I'll take it as from Bangalore, so it will be for Prajwal. What is Avijit? Avijit is total minus 720. 1680 minus 720. 1680 minus 720. Total minus 720. So this will be 720 divided by 960. Okay. So this is a 12 6 are 72. 12 8 are 960. 12 6 are 72. 12 8 are 960. Cross multiply karo. So you know that P by A is equal to 6 bar 8. So do the cross multiplication. 8P is equal to 6A. So therefore A is equal to 6 divided by 8P, which is 1.33P, right? 6 divided by 8P, which is 1.33P. Let me go to the next question, next slide here, right? You know that A is equal to 1.63P, right? So what is the total distance traveled by them? So P का total distance होगा, P का total distance होगा 1680 divided by P hours, right? So this is the time taken, right? This is the time taken, okay? P is taking a total of, I don't know the speed I have to calculate now, right? इधर क्या लिया था? So P by A का मतलब क्या है इधर? P by A का मतलब क्या है? ये इन दोनों का speed है, right? ये इन दोनों का speed है. तो total distance by time is speed, right? Distance by speed will give you the time taken, right? In speed, time and distance, this formula always remember, speed is equal to distance into time, okay? तो अगर आपको कुछ और चाहिए, sorry, distance is equal to speed into time, okay? Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. अगर आपको कुछ और चाहिए, right? If you want to find out the speed, then it will be distance by time. If you want to find out the time, it will be distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance bar time, or time is equal to distance bar speed, but distance is the multiplication of both of them. Distance is the multiplication of both of them, s into t, speed into time, right? So Prajwal is 1680 by p hours, right? So Avijit क्या होगा? Avijit will actually be 1680 by his own hours, right? 1680 by his own hours, but right, 1680 by A hours, right? By A hours. But go back here, we have formulated A as 1.33p, right? 1.33p. So this will be 1680 by 1.33p, right? 1680 divided by 1.80, 1.33p, 1680 divided by 1.33p. This will help us because अगर हम सब कुछ हम प्रज्वल का टाइम निकाल रहे हैं ना, तो हम we are substituting everything in terms of p, right? We are substituting everything in terms of p. So 1680 by 1.33 will give you the answer 1263.15 divided by p, right? So 1060 divided by 1.33 किया मैंने, right? So you know that Avijit, right, both of them started at 11 p.m. and Avijit, he already reached Bangalore at 7 p.m. right? Avijit already reached Bangalore at 7 p.m. So what is the total time Avijit is taking here? 11 p.m. to next day 11 p.m. will be 24. So 7 p.m. में minus 4 करो, 24 minus 4, right? 24 minus 4 is 20 hours, right? The total time took by Avijit also we know. 11 p.m. minus 7 p.m. is 20 hours. Substitute that here, right? So here 1263.15 divided by p is equal to 20, right? So 20p is equal to 1263.15 hoga. So here p will be equal to 1263.15 divided by 20, right? So this is equal to 63.15, right? This is equal to 63.15. ये जो p मिला है इसको इधर substitute करो, right? So the time taken by p will be equal to 1680 divided by 63.15, right? 1680 divided by 63.15. So this will be equal to 26.60 hours. If you observe the options carefully, all the options are whole numbers, right? All the options are whole numbers. So 26.5 से ज़्यादा है, so we will approximate it to 27 hours, right? 27 hours. So this is 11 p.m. प्लस 27 hours, राइट? 11 p.m. प्लस 27 hours. इसका कितना था? इसका माइनस था, राइट? इसका माइनस. सो 11 p.m. प्लस 27. सो व्हाट वी वर डूइंग, 11 p.m. माइनस 7 p.m. के लिए -4 निकाल रहे थे, तो इधर एक्स्ट्रा डालना है, राइट? इधर एक्स्ट्रा 3 डालना है, राइट? 11 p.m. प्लस 27 hours, राइट? 11 p.m. प्लस 27 hours. सो दिस इज 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, right? 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, right? So this will be 2 a.m. Okay, technically it is actually 1 a.m. 36 minutes, right? 36 minutes, क्योंकि 60 into 60 करेंगे, right? We will get a 360 there. So 36 minutes, 26 hours. 26 hours, 36 minutes will be the answer. 1 a.m. 36 minutes. But we have a whole number in the options, so we are choosing the time 2 a.m. here, right? We have a whole number in the options, so we are choosing the time 2 a.m. 11 p.m. plus 3, right? So 11 p.m. plus next 11 p.m. में 24 hours हो जाएगा, right? एक दिन हो जाएगा, तो extra 3 hours add करना है. 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. Go back to the question. The answer is B, 2 a.m. The answer is B, 2 a.m. Okay. So that's it with the session, guys. Thank you for listening so much to the session. Okay. Please do like the video. Please do share the video. And please do subscribe to our channel, Unacademy Ascend. I will see you all in the next session with another 3 questions under the same topic: speed, time, and distance. Okay. Thoda silly mistakes हुआ आज. Okay. So please do excuse me for that. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for listening throughout the session. I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day.